Uh-oh, that crispy golden brown chicken tender suddenly turning into a rubber band? No. That's just the tendon. No need to worry. With the help of something likely already in your home, you'll never consume that tough, rubbery cord again. Got one of these? What about that? What even is this? Don't even trip. All you need are some pliers. That's right. Pliers! Grab that little sucker, wedge it between a fork, and pull. Call now at 1-800-555. You fill in the rest. With just 3 easy payments of $0 plus $0 shipping and handling, you and your family will enjoy the tender and not the tendon. But wait, there's more. Act now and you'll find that I don't know what else will do the trick. This limited time offer won't last long. Operators are not standing by. This cheesy infomercial not convincing enough? Give it a try. It shouldn't cost you a thing. Ba, ba, ba.